ThaiRiveraComedy.com. And then he's just posting pictures of nude men. Rip Regis Philbin. Final answer. Again, this is the comedy god. Comedy god. You know? And look at this. I see right off the bat, Todd Rex. This is a comic. And I don't know him very, very well at all. But Todd Rex. Capital LOL. 1, 2, 3 exclamation points. And then someone else, probably a comic, probably Thai, comes to that comment and puts a laughy face. So we've got Rip Regis Philbin, which in and of itself not funny at all. Final answer. Okay? And Thai posts this. And then everyone's like, you know, LOL. And then Ty comes in like, yeah, it was a pretty good one. It was a pretty good. It's like, I can't anymore. I'm not going to act like it. And I've got good friends who are friends with this guy. I can't. Look, I don't have a problem with you being friends with him, and I'm sure he doesn't murder puppies. But this is a dork and a loser at best. And he's got his head up his ass. And he's not a good person.
This is 21 years ago.
Right, that's a long time ago.
I loved doing the show.
Final answer? Final answer? Is that your final answer?
When you're at a restaurant, or do they ask you if that's your final answer when you order something?
Once in a while.
Yeah.
But that's gotten older. You know,
Has it?
nobody says that anymore.
People don't say it anymore.